Hi, I'm Luciana Luli Brazil, and today I am going to teach you something that we do in Brazil that is doce de leche, doce de leite, condensed milk. We get condensed milk and turn it to doce de leite. We also do dulce de leche, as you call, but in Portuguese we call doce de leite. You can say sweet milk, or doce de leche. So this, the one you have here in Canada, or you in US or in Mexico, is different of the one we have in Brazil. The one we have in Brazil doesn't have that caramel taste that I don't like, really, I don't like. Because it's not like the caramel we have in Brazil. That the one you have here is bitter. We have a sweet. We don't want a bitter. If you want something bitter, we get our coffee. That's the best. Okay. So, how do we do it? We get a condensed milk can. Doesn't matter the mark. I'm covering the mark. And we take off the peel off that, and we put in a pressure cook. You can put in another pan, but the pressure cook is faster. We put standing up like this. We fill up with the water till cover, like one finger above this, and we leave it till 30 minutes. But as the pressure cook here have that kind of stove, this kind of stove, it has the controlled temperature, so we will need just to leave about 15 minutes. Okay, so then we have it to cool down because we don't want to burn ourselves. You know, it will be boiling inside of the can. We don't open, and then it will be really like caramel and just tasting like sweet milk, just like doce de leche without caramel. It's perfect. It's wonderful. You can eat it by itself. You can eat like to spread on the pan, on the bread. Sorry, the bread. So we mix in Portuguese and you can also use make dulce de leche, the pure dulce de leche, using like you depend on how much you want. You can put. There is two kind of dulce de leche. There is the one that is a cream, and there is the one that is like lots of like when you put when you have cottage cheese. Do you remember the cottage cheese you ever saw? There is little pieces like little like seeds, a lot of seeds. So it's like a lot of seeds of milk inside of a liquid. So that is another kind. To make that other kind, you put a little bit of lemon, or you get the milk when it's about to spoil. I did that here in Canada, it worked. But the better thing is to put a little bit of, how to say, lemon, or a spoon, just a spoon of lemon, or a spoon of concentrated lemon juice, like this. That is lime, but there is one of those that's concentrated lemon juice, or you can put vinegar, a spoon of vinegar, and depending how much you want it sweet, you can put a half cup of sugar, the crystal sugar. That is it. And put in the, you will cook till you see like it get thick. So that's the point. Like you feel like it is porridge. So when you see like porridge, but you have to put in a big pan, because if you put in a little pan, it will overflow. Okay, that's it. So I will cook. When it get ready, I will let it cool down. Then I will show you how it will be. So delicious. Okay. Beijo. Kisses. Oh, well, I give the kisses and the bye-byes in the next part. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I took out the pressure. You see, if you have that, here is with the pressure, here you have the air come out. If you know how to use the pressure cook, is how it works. If you didn't use the pressure cook, you use a pan, a normal pan, you, after the time that is supposed to be, if it's pressure cooker it's 15 minutes, if it's normal cook pan it is 40 minutes, 30 minutes, so you double. Okay, so after it boil for that long, because you start counting when it's boiling, not before. Okay, so you drain, you take out that water that was hot, and you put the cold water to cover, so it will cool down fast. If you don't want, you can leave it there to cool down. When you touch, you can touch, you see, because it's cooled down. I will leave a while here because inside it might be hot, so I want to open before it get cold. Okay, because I don't want to get burned. It is a dangerous burn, so you don't want to get burned, otherwise you'll go to the hospital. Okay, and the next part will be to eat. So I will stop here till it get cold, and then we see it. Okay, let's see. After it cool down, we open that, you see, and if your can is not like that, there is no problem. You have to see if it's really cool outside, so you can open. Let's see how it is. It look like it's something got out water inside. In Brazil, it never get out water inside. But anyways, let's see. See how it is? Let me get to the light. Okay, see? Delicious. If you have diabetes, of course you cannot eat that, but it's delicious, just like Brazil. Wash the. You cannot use the same spoon that you put inside there, otherwise it will spoil. Okay, you have to take out some, put in the amount you want to eat, and you cannot put the spoon after putting your mouth back here. Okay, you wash and put back. Delicious. Okay, thanks for watching. Kisses. Bye bye. May God bless and protect us. E vamos lá, já está frio aí. Não sei dentro, né? Claro. Eu vou botar aqui a câmera escorada em algum lugar para pegar. Eu espero que não esteja escuro onde eu estou escorando essa câmera. Eu tô com a maneira de escorar a câmera assim. Mas, bora lá. Vamos lá. Tá aqui. A gente vai abrir. Se o seu não for desses quebra assim, não tem problema. Bora lá. E aqui está.